Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Mitsubishi ASX, a compact SUV that's set to shake up the B segment. Buckle up as we explore what makes this little crossover a big deal. First off, let's talk looks. Mitsubishi's nailed it with their signature dynamic shield front end. It's bold, it's modern, and it screams SUV. The smooth silhouette is broken up by wide, muscular wheel arches, giving the ASX a stance that says, "Yeah, I'm ready for anything." Rolling on either 17-inch flex steel wheels with custom hubcaps or flashy 18-inch black diamond-cut alloys, this Mitsubishi's got style for miles. And those LED lights? They're not just for show. They're cutting-edge tech that'll light up the road ahead. Swing around to the back, and you'll spot the ASX emblem along with some 3D Mitsubishi lettering. It's a nice touch that adds a premium feel to this compact package. And for all you audiophiles out there, Mitsubishi's partnered with Harman Kardon for a premium sound system. We're talking 10 channels and 410 watts of crystal clear audio. Whether you're into classical or hip-hop, this system's got you covered. Now, onto the heart of the matter. What's under the hood? Mitsubishi's giving us options, people. Let's break it down. Starting off, there's a peppy 1-liter 3-cylinder turbo. It's hooked up to a 6-speed manual and puts out 67 kilowatts and 160 newton-meters of torque. It's your basic, no-frills option that'll get the job done. Step up to the mild hybrid, and you're looking at a 1.3-liter turbo with some electric assistance. You can pair this with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch auto. Power ranges from 103 to 116 kilowatts, with torque between 260 and 270 newton-meters. Not too shabby for a compact SUV, but if you're all about that fuel efficiency, check out the full hybrid. This clever setup combines a 1.6-liter gas engine with 2 electric motors. The result? A smooth 105 kilowatts of power that'll save you some serious cash at the pump. Now let's hop inside. The ASX's cabin is where versatility meets comfort. You're perched nice and high, making it a breeze to slide in and out. Depending on the trim, you're looking at fabric or leather seats, and on those chilly mornings, you'll love the available heated seats and steering wheel. But here's where it gets really clever. The rear bench slides forward by 16 centimeters. Why's that cool? Well, you can choose between extra legroom for your buddies or more space for your gear. Speaking of which, you're looking at 442 liters of trunk space as standard, but slide that seat forward, and you're adding another 69 liters. That's some serious flexibility, folks. Let's talk tech, because the 2025 ASX is packed with it. The star of the show is a massive 10.4-inch vertical touchscreen. It's your command center for everything from Google's built-in software to the My Mitsubishi Motors app. Want to check on your car remotely or get real-time diagnostics? It's all at your fingertips. So who's the 2025 Mitsubishi ASX for? Well, if you're in the market for a compact SUV that doesn't skimp on tech, comfort, or efficiency, you'll want to give this one a look. It's perfect for urban dwellers who need something nimble for the city, but versatile enough for weekend getaways. Mitsubishi's leveraging its alliance with Renault-Nissan here, and it shows. The ASX is built on their shared CMF-B platform and will roll off the line at Renault's plant in Valladolid, Spain. It's a testament to what automakers can achieve when they pool their resources and know-how. To wrap it up, the 2025 Mitsubishi ASX is a compact SUV that punches above its weight. With its sharp looks, flexible interior, tech-laden cockpit, and range of efficient powertrains, it's ready to take on the best in its class. Whether you're a young professional, a small family, or just someone who appreciates a well-rounded vehicle, the ASX deserves a spot on your shortlist. That's all for now, folks. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And let us know in the comments, what feature of the new ASX are you most excited about? Until next time, keep it in drive. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.